Hello everyone. My name is Saurabh Ubaveja. The last 4 weeks, you have seen how helpless we have become as a nation. The COVID pandemic has made us see our worst till date. Everywhere you see there are helpless cries for oxygen beds. Oxygen, imagine oxygen itself. Such a common commodity has now become a rare one. ICU beds, medicines, doctors, and we don't know what all people are facing right now. It's a crisis of the highest level. It's a war, if I may say so. At this time, there are a few people who, in spite of all the challenges that they have faced in their personal lives, have come together. And I know of 19 such brilliant business owners organized under the group called Phoenix. How do I know them? I have personally interacted with them. I've had the opportunity to coach them in the past. And now they are a bunch of people who've come together, realized their responsibility as citizens of a country where the Seva Bhav is something which is very, very deeply ingrained, in our ecosystem. They've got together to provide free oxygen to over 15 hospitals in Delhi. They've been doing this now for the last 8 days without sleeping even a single hour, a 24 by 7 service. They've filled over 3,200 oxygen cylinders for hospitals, free of cost, and they have saved over 1,000 lives. If you feel as helpless as I do and not being able to really help out, this is your opportunity. Do not hesitate to donate to their cause. They've already raised above 23 lakhs. They have a goal of 1 CR. The campaign is on keto.org. It's called Phoenix Oxygen Seva. Please take a note, keto.org, Phoenix Oxygen Seva. Please donate right away as much as you potentially can and help the Phoenix Oxygen Seva service, those 19 amazing angels on the face of earth right now, to do their amazing job in helping save thousands of lives. Thank you.